Hi everyone, this is Vishal Khan and today we will talk about structured query language SQL, and our objectives are we will discuss SQL where class, SQL and or not and between operators. We will discuss also order by class and the use of concatenation operator inside the SQL. So let's see one by one. First we have to connect with our user by the name of Scott and password is Tiger. So first of all, let's see describe AMP. So select star from AMP. Okay, let me organize it. So set line size 300, set page size 25. Okay, so for example, I need those employee records whose department number is 10, 20 or 30. So how you will use it? It's very simple. So first let's see the use of the where class. So how you will write the query? Select star from AMP where department number equal to what? For example 10. So now it will show me those records whose department number is 10. So let's see here. If you want to change it, for example, if you want to see the information about those employee whose department number is 20. So it's very simple. Okay. If you want to see those employee information whose job is manager, mean you are interested in the employee job rather than in department number. So here just use what? Where job equal to what? The column name is job. Job equal to, for example, manager. So now it will show us those employee records whose job is manager. You can see it. We have 3 managers and whose department number is 20, 30 and 10. So in this way you can use the where class. For example, if you want to see clerk employee information, so just write here what? Clerk. So it will show us those employee record whose job is clerk. There are 4 clerks. Okay. You can also use on the salary column, select star from AMP where column name is sale. So here where sale is greater than, for example, show me those employee record whose salary is greater than 1000 or equal to 1000. So just if you want to see those employee record whose salary is greater than, so what you will do? 10,000 1000. So it's very simple. So you can check it. It shows us all those employee records whose salary is greater than 1000. So in this way you can use the where class. Is how you will use and, or, not and between operator inside the where class. So how you will use it? It's very simple. For example, I need those employee records whose job is manager and department number is 10. So how you will do it? Select star from AMP where job is manager and department number is 10. So it's very simple. So here you can see it. Job is manager and department number is 10 because in AND operator both condition must be true, so your result will be true. If one of them is false, you will not get the appropriate result or the desired result. For example, if you want to see another query another with different conditions. So let's see it. For example, I need those employee record whose job is clerk and department number is same 10. So just check it. So clerk and department number is 10. So in this way you can use the AND operator with different conditions. And let's see the use of OR operator. For example, if I use here OR operator instead of AND operator, so it's also very simple. So let's see here, now we retrieve our query, return 6 records in case of OR operator, while in case of AND operator it just return only 1 record. So why? Because in OR operator, if one of them is true, the whole result will be true and it will return the required row or the required record. So here, let's see here for the first one, Smith, job is clerk, but here you can see the department number is not 10, but in OR operator, if one condition is true, so the whole result will be true. Here, let's see here for this next employee, the employee is clerk whose job is manager. Here job is false, but the department number is 10, so that's why we get the record of clerk. So that's the main difference between OR operator and AND operator. In AND operator, all condition must be true, while in OR operator, if one condition is true, you will get the required result. So that's the main difference between AND and OR operator. And NOT operator, NOT mean, for example, mean I need all the employee records without those employee whose job is clerk. So how you will do it? Select star from EMP where job is not equal to clerk. So you can use this operator, greater and less than operator. So here clerk. So now it will return all those employee records, all the employee record except those employee record whose job is clerk. So let's see here, you can see there is no clerk. Can you see it? And we can also use another operator for the NOT operator. This is also used to represent NOT operator. So here you see there is no clerk. So in this way you can use the AND operator, OR operator and NOT operator. And let's see here the between operator. Between, it gives us the range. Mean, for example, if you want to display the employee record in a particular range, for example, if I say that select star from EMP where cell between 1100 and 5000. So mean minimum value and max value, min and max value. So here you can see all those, this query will display all those employee record whose salary is between these two ranges, 1100 and 5000, sorry, 1100 and 5000, including these two. Let's see here we have the 5000, the max value, and we also have the 11,000. So mean the between operator include these two records also. 1100, it means that I can write this query like this. If you are using the AND operator or OR operator, select star from EMP where cell is greater than or equal to 1100 and cell is less than or equal to 5000. So you can see it here. What I did, there I forgot the L. So here 12 row returns and it also return 12 rows. So mean the output of these two queries is same. So between is used for the range of values. Between is used for the range of values. Okay, and after that, if you want to display your data in the ascending order or descending order, so for that we use the order by class. So how you will use it? It's very simple. Select star from EMP order by cell. So by default it will display in the ascending order. So let's see here. So let's say order by cell. So 800, 950, 1100 and so on. If you want to display it in the descending order, so just write here what? DESC descending. So now it will start it from the 5000, from the max, from top to bottom and from bottom to top. So here let's see here 5000, 3000, 3000 and so on. So in this way you can do the sorting also, and you can use on any column based on your requirements. And after that we have the concatenation operator. For example, if you want to concat some literal text with the query result, so how you will do that? For example, select Mr. This is concatenation operator. ename, column name, whose job is, here use the column name job, whose job is job, and department number is department number, and so on. You can do like this from EMP. So this is called concatenation operator. So look at it, Mr. Smith, whose job is, okay, some are the null values here. Mr. Smith, whose job is clerk and department number is 20. Mr. Allen, whose job is salesman and department number is 30. Mr. John, whose job is manager and department number is 20. So in this way you can use the concatenation operator. You can also combine different columns by using concatenation operator. For example, consider it like this. So now it will display both ename and job combinedly, because we concatenate them. So look at here, this one's salesman clerk, Alan salesman, and this is Martin salesman, and here this is the Adams and his clerk. So you can combine the different column also by using the concat operator. So if you people like my videos, kindly like it and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Bye bye, see you.